Day 2 of a week's worth of pasta. Artichoke and mascarpone cream. Yeah?
Is it good?
You're about to find out. Let's get cooking. This is Midge. She has nothing to do with this recipe, but she's really cute. Anyway, back to it. This year I've been working on a particularly special project that will come to light at the end of the year. In order to make it come true, I got a new fridge, a massive fridge, a family-sized American fridge, but we still have our little fridge intact as well. That little fridge has become the condiment fridge, and it's not even little, it's a very normal-sized fridge, but it is full of jars and bottles of sauces and antipasti, including about 5 jars of artichokes. That's how this recipe was born. What do we do with the obscene amount of artichokes we seem to have hoarded in our fridge? Well, we make artichoke and mascarpone pasta sauce, obviously. You'll just never see me without a jar of artichokes in my fridge. One of the most privileged things to have ever said on this channel.